In a world often defined by anger and retaliation, the principle of turning the other cheek resonates deeply. This biblical teaching, originating from Matthew 5:39, encourages individuals to respond to hostility with grace rather than aggression. In today's society, where confrontations can escalate quickly, embodying this principle can serve as a powerful tool for personal and communal healing. Imagine a scenario where someone insults you. The immediate urge might be to retaliate, to stand your ground. However, in choosing to turn the other cheek, you are not condoning the insult, rather. You are reclaiming your power through restraint. This action transforms an antagonistic interaction into an opportunity for reflection and compassion. By responding with kindness, you disrupt the cycle of negativity and foster a more peaceful environment around you. In practice, implementing this principle begins with self-awareness. When faced with negativity, pause and assess your emotions. Instead of reacting instinctively, take a moment to breathe and remember the teachings found in the Bible. The act of turning the other cheek requires courage and humility, allowing one to choose forgiveness over retaliation. It is important to recognize that such choices can inspire others to reconsider their own responses, creating a ripple effect of understanding and empathy. Moreover, turning the other cheek does not imply passivity or weakness. It is an assertive decision to prioritize emotional intelligence and communal well-being over instant gratification of being right. Engaging in discussions with a calm demeanor, seeking to understand rather than judge, often leads to resolution rather than further conflict. This approach aligns beautifully with the message found in Proverbs 15:1, which states, "A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger." In today's divisive climate, embracing the concept of turning the other cheek can pave the way for reconciliation and understanding. By embodying this principle, people can foster environments where dialogue replaces discord. Remember, every time you choose to react with compassion over conflict, you live out the timeless wisdom of ancient texts, lighting a path toward a harmonious society.